I have one final question. You and I had a conversation. I know you've gotten quite popular for a speech you do about what dogs can teach us. I think that's brilliant.
Yeah.
But can you sum that up? And then I have a gift for you.
Brene Brown, who I adore, once said to me, and it was written in her books, we were having a conversation down in Texas at South by Southwest, and I had fanboyed all around her, and we wound up sharing some words, and we were talking about the secret to happiness being empathy. And I left that conversation, and I'm just like, oh my God, I was so awestruck to be in conversation with her that I didn't ask the most obvious question, which is, oh my God, happiness, I can wrap my arms around that as a concept. It's a hard word, but I can wrap myself around it. How the hell do you become more empathic? I mean, that's the challenge. Okay, you just told me the key to happiness is become more proficient with empathy and to grow your capacity for empathy. And that's the secret. But that's now more confusing to me. I started talking, I asked for help. I asked a lot of people about this. And I wound up coming up with this idea, which is be the dog. The worst people in the world, pick them. Hannibal Lecter comes home from a day at the office. He's killed a bunch of people, chopped them up into little bits, sits down on the couch. His dog, I imagine a Pekingese, jumps up in his lap, and he, feeds it a nice piece of raw liver. Hopefully not somebody else's, but chicken liver or fish liver. And but the dog licks his hand and loves him and snuggles up, and the dog just lays in his lap. The dog just is with him. The dog doesn't expect anything. The dog just lays in his lap. I had a very well-known child psychologist tell me when my son was 4 or 5 years old and going crazy in his room and destroying things, don't tell him to stop. Don't do anything. Just go into the room and lay down next to where he is. Just be with him. And all of a sudden, all the dots connected. And I was like, and I looked at him and I said, you want me to be the dog? And he's like, excuse me? And I explained to him all this other stuff. And I said, the dog is just pure empathy. The dog just wants to be with you. He's like, exactly. Just be the dog. Don't start to operationalize with your kid before you've co-regulated with them. The way to co-regulate with another human being is just to sit there with them. Eventually, someone says, why are you just sitting there? You look like you're having a tough time. I'm here. I love you.
The legendary mistake men make is they try to fix things.
Of course.
And if we could just hold space, I guess to use your term, be the dog.
Be the dog. Be the dog.
Best relationship advice.
Actually, I use an example from real life with my ex-wife about that, where she lost her phone. And I immediately said to her while she was losing her mind, did you ask the security guy at the office building where she worked? And she looked at me, she's like, of course I did. I don't need you to tell me what to do. I already called it. In fact, they have my phone. I'm going to get it tomorrow. I just wanted my best friend. I just wanted to vent. And I realized, oh my gosh, I need to be the dog everywhere in my life. So yeah, be the dog.
I love this. So we began with relationship advice. Number 1, be funny and learn how to cook. And we end with relationship advice, be the dog
100%.
and just hold space.
100%.
I love you,
then you got to be a good kisser too.
Well, I probably won't give you a kiss here, but I will say thank you. And throw me that shirt, would you? We have an award here on the Dan Buettner Podcast.
Yes.
It's the extra points for vulnerability. And we only give this. Well, we actually give it to everybody, but we really only give it to our favorite guests.
That's good. I'm very competitive. I love that I've earned this shirt.
That is the story that earns you a shirt.
I love this. I love this. Extra points for vulnerability. By the way, lessons for a lifetime. Everyone should get extra points for vulnerability. It's a good one.
Thank you, Andrew. We love you.
Love you too.
So if you like that clip, there's a lot more where that came from. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you won't miss our new videos as they come out each week.